Good Thursday. We've got a box of Rollo. What the hell is Rollo? I'm gonna have to, what's Rollo? If you read the title of the video, you know this is a very, very, very old pan. 2022 minus 1879. Only 143 years old. So this pan was patented in 1879. It's actually on the handle. And apparently, it might have been sold through Montgomery Ward catalogs. And I think the guy who made the patent's name is William Hodges. It's Hodges for sure. I've tried to find a Montgomery Ward catalog from that year and I haven't been able to find it yet. But this is a steel skillet. It looks more like a cowboy skillet, but a large one. 1879, people. Oh, it's got good weight, I think. And they're deep fryer skillets. That's not bad. Oh, could be worse. It's pretty bowed here, I can tell right away. It's very, very bowed. Maybe I can flatten it out some. You know, when I saw this, I wanted to clean it up, right? It's called the New Fryer. And it says patent 1879. And these, they have a latch here, and you had a pot dangling over that you could lower in and raise up. A strainer basket. Unfortunately, it's missing the one little hook. Show the patent picture. The bottom in the auction did not look bowed to me. It's very bowed. It may sit okay on the coil, but this is that's a rocker. Oh well. We're going to have to try and hammer this out a little bit, flatten it up, and cook some eggs. Let's just get our tape measure. Gracie, where's our tape measure? 10 1/4, really. Wait. It's almost 10 3/8. It looks like there's enamel here. Maybe there's paint on the skillet. Shit. Oh, I didn't think of that. Oh. Maybe someone painted this. They painted and hung it. That's definitely paint here. Black enamel. Shit. Didn't occur to me that it was painted. That means we're going to have to strip it. Alright, well, 143 years old, to be continued. You've got some pitting here on the bottom, probably from old rust and age. Much like my 1800s griddle, there's pitting. Oh, it's a lot of work. Oh, okay. To be continued. Getting there. Scrubby pads. Brillo. Taking a lot of time. This paint is not brittle. It's petrified. I can't seem to get it off the handle. Got most of it off the back. I'm just saying it's petrified. Maybe I should just leave it with some character like we did with the griddle. To be continued. Good Tuesday. Here's the story. I've taken this about as far as I'm going to because I am going to season it. This steel is 143 years old, and I have had a couple of flash rusts. Flash rust is when you just wet it and it just rusts. The bottom still has a lot of crud. I'm probably going to scrub the bottom a little bit more, but then we're just going to seal it. Handle has a lot of pitting. That accounts for all the gray spots. That's about as far as we're taking it. Inside's pretty darn clean. I took a hammer to the bottom, couldn't flatten it out. It did pop up, so it sat perfectly flat. My fear is, under the heat of the stove, the bottom will pop back out and maybe maybe cause some havoc. We're going to warm it up in the oven. We're going to give it a couple of coats of oil. And let's stop yapping and let's get seasoning this 1879 new fryer pan. Round one. Pretty. Pretty. Couple more rounds to go. 2 more rounds to go. Hey, pretty. Oh. wobbly. No! I tell you. When do you think that pan was used last? I gotta say, grits! It's hot. I'm gonna put the eggs on the English muffins. That's what we do in this house. That one's a little undercooked. That's okay by me. That one's a little undercooked. The pan does not sit flat on the stove, so it was not getting even heating. Let's have some eggs. Let's take a bite of some eggs in our 1879 fryer skillet. Oh, come on. Come on. The pan did not make full contact with the coil. So this pan needs a flame. I'm just saying. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. That was a journey. How is it still hot? Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.